Welcome back. In this video I'm sharing with you new lead generation project which I got on Upwork. So first I want to show you the client instruction and then we will go further. So here is the client instruction. As he need a top decision maker of oil institution and USA, and he also need in the following city. Like, so sometime when you get a project on Upwork, anywhere, the lead generation, you will need to collect data from different country, maybe from one country, but you can collect data from all city. But here in this project the client provide us that you need to collect data from this city, okay, only. So here is New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago, and Houston. So we will be collecting the data from this city. And if I just go down here, he also mentioned that business name, first name, last name, title, email address, and LinkedIn account, and website, city. Okay, so we will be adding this data here in this Google Sheet. Here you can see I have already put it all the necessary data which are needed. Okay, so you can also use a Google Sheet. You can use Microsoft Excel. Okay, so here guys, if I just go down here, I use a very simple formula for this project, which is oil institution, CEO, LinkedIn, New York, USA. Okay, so why I put this, I will explain you this too. So here I just copy this, and here I already pasted here in the Google search. So here first guys, I put here oil institution, as we are looking for oil institution in New York. So first we will use this. Okay, so if you get any other type of project, you can use this. Okay, so then guys, we need top decision maker people. So here if you just read this, top decision maker, so we will be targeting CEO, founder, and owner. Okay, so I have already put it here, CEO, and then we need LinkedIn profile also. So to collect data from LinkedIn, it will be easy for you if you just put here LinkedIn. Okay, and then we are collecting data from New York City, which you already saw that he provide us different cities. So first we will target New York City, so I have already put it New York, and then we need data from USA. Okay, so here I have already write USA. So when you write this data and Google search, you will get this type of leads. Okay, so now we will start from the first one, and I will be showing you everything step by step guys. Okay, so let's open this lead. And also guys, if you want to learn more lead generation in detail, please check these videos. I will provide this link in the video description. It will be very helpful for you if you want to learn more in advance about lead generation. And nowadays there are many projects available on Fiverr and also Upwork.com, so you can get this project and you can make a very good amount of money. Okay guys, so the first profile is open here. As you can see, she is the founder and executive of IELTS and USA. And if I just go down and see which city she is, so here already is mentioned New York City. Okay, so and also she is the founder and chief executive officer of IELTS institution. So that means she is the correct leads for us. Okay, so we will start from her first and last name guys. Okay, so just copy her first and last name. Okay, and then open the Google Sheet, and here I will just paste both of name. Okay, and then I will just cut her last name. Okay, I will cut her last name and I will paste it here. Okay, so we already know her title, which is CEO. Okay, and now we will collect her other information like her LinkedIn account. So here is her LinkedIn account. Just copy her LinkedIn account. Okay, and then paste it here. You can see LinkedIn URL. Okay, so we will paste her LinkedIn URL to here. Then we will copy her company name. So we already know her company name is IELTS USA. Okay, so we will copy this name too, and then we will paste it here. Okay, now we will collect her other information, which are her email address. To collect her email address, there are few tools which you can use like apollo.io. You can also use this tool. So here you can see her email address also available here. So I will just copy her email address from here, okay, and then I will paste it here. So I have put it her email address here. And guys, also if you don't want to use this tool apollo.io, you can also use another tool which is kendo.io. so this tool also provides us her email address. So here you can see I will copy her email address and paste it there, but I have already copied from there. And here you can see this tool provides us two email addresses. One is her personal email address and another is her business email address. So you can copy both of them and then paste it there. And I have also another tool which is get prospect. You can also use this tool, guys, to collect email address. So here you can see her email address is showing here. So if I just click here, show and save email, so her email address will be visible to us here. Okay, now guys, we need to copy her website URL. So to copy her website URL, there are multiple ways. Like this tool also provides us her email, her website address. So here you can see it's her website. So you can copy from here, and you can also copy her email, her website URL from here, contact info. If I just click here, so here you can see her website is available. Okay, so just copy the website URL from here, copy link address, and then paste it here. Okay, so paste her website URL here, and the one entry is done. Now we will go to another entry. So if I just go down here, so here you can see there's another profile. So I will just open it. Okay, so I will open this profile, and now we will collect data from here. Okay, so it's very simple. And remember, guys, we are only targeting New York city, okay, and United States, so we don't need to collect any other information. So here, guys, you can see she is from New York, and also she is the founder and CEO of this institution. So if I just go down here, let's see what other information we can get. So here you can see IELTS. Okay, so she also mentioned that. So it's maybe she is providing this service. So it's mean that she this is the correct lead for us. So we will collect data of her. So I will just copy her LinkedIn account. Okay, and then I will just paste it here. Very simple. And then, guys, I will just copy her first and last name. So here just copy her first and last name and then paste it here. Just cut her last name, okay, and then paste her last name here. Okay, and now let's see her her title, which is founder and CEO. So you can copy both of them. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, now let's see, guys, is there is two tool, many I have few tools like apollo.io here it, and also get prospect, and here is another kendo.io. so let's see. So here is the email address, guys. You can see this tool also provides her email address. So to collect her email address, guys, we will need to click here, like you can see get info. So if I just click here, her email address will be showing to us. Okay, so here you can see its email address. So just copy it and then paste it here. Okay, email address. Now it's time to collect other information. Okay, sorry, I think I just put wrong information here. Like I think I should need to cut this and paste it here because it's her LinkedIn account. So I will paste her LinkedIn account here. Okay, and here I will paste her website URL. Okay, so now I will copy her website, which are available here. If I just click here, contact info. So if you just click here, so here you can see her website is her company website is available here. So just copy it, okay, and then paste it here. And there's also another way which you can copy her website. If you just see with this tool, like which is get prospect and also apollo.io, here you can see her website is available here. You can see if I just click here, guys, here you can see as her website and also her company LinkedIn page. Okay, so here is her website. So I have already copied it, and now let's copy her company name. Okay, so it's her company name. You can just copy from here, and you can also copy from there. Yeah, there. Yeah, if you just go down here, you can also copy her company name from here too. Okay, so I will just paste it here. Okay, where is her company name? Here. Okay, and we already know her city is New York, so if I will select this and I will go down here. Okay, so first guys, we will collect our information from New York City. When we complete New York City, then we will go to another city. Okay, go back to my the first page. So here you can see guys, I use this formula, and sometime if the information is not correct and it's not providing the right information, then what you can do, just remove USA from here, and then you can just directly use New York. Okay, and then when you just type here New York, and then if you just click enter, here you will also see the same result, but sometime maybe the result are changed, but you need to use different technique. Okay, but the main thing is to collect the right leads which we need. Okay, so guys, it's very simple. If I just start from if I just click all of them, it will take a lot of time, but the main thing is that you know exactly how to work on this type of project. And also to learn more, just check this video. I hope you will get value from this video too, and if you have any kind of question, please let me know. And also guys, if you don't have Upwork.com, just create your account on Upwork.com. You can also provide this service to other clients on people per hour, Fiverr, Guru.com. There are many freelancing websites where you can provide this service to other clients, and client will pay you a very good amount of money. Guys, nowadays this scale are very in demand, and most of people are providing this service. So I will be sharing with you more project in future. So thank you so much for watching Easy Mentor. See you later. Bye.